Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and close Robinhood account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to talk about two steps that you can simply go ahead and follow in order to go ahead and close your account. First, we're going to be talking about preparing your account for closure. So sell all positions, sell all stocks, ETFs and other holdings. You must do this before you can proceed. Also disable cash sweep. If you have the cash sweep enabled, you must disable it, and then withdraw all cash. Make sure your account balance is zero by withdrawing all of your cash. You may need to wait a few days for transfer to complete. Also request data deletion. This is optional, but I highly recommend it. So to delete your personal data, go to the profile, then settings, and then into security and privacy, and then request data deletion. You should do this before deactivating your account. Now in order to go ahead and deactivate your account, all you need to do is go to your profile, tap the person shaped icon at the bottom right of the app, go to settings, tap menu, the three lines, and then select settings, and then find deactivate account. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings menu and tap on deactivate account, and then just follow the instructions and your account will be deleted. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.